out on the Kuruma BJC meet, y'all missed out. Okay, there's always next year though. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Distribution.com. Let's go, baby.
Yes, sir.
All right, so today we are in Newport Beach. It is Nasty's birthday. We're about to go on a yacht with the Pure guys. We haven't eaten yet. We're really hungry.
Is there new food up in here?
I know, we need to get something, man. I bet this is where that seafood place is. Happy birthday.
Okay, camera bro.
Happy birthday.
It's a birthday boy right here.
Daddy's got those 2 bottles?
We got P60. We got the daddy up in here.
What's that? Hey, tape this on my back. 4.0, 4.0.
Check if they have the car rewind thing. The car. I could get lost.
Porky's about to take a shit.
No. No.
Hey, alright, bro. I'm gonna drive this boat today. Come here, come here.
You gotta have the Kodak weed, bro. You gotta have the Kodak weed.
What do you think? This guy's put about 4 hours of this. I get paid hazard pay if these came in.
Let me drive the boat.
So, who's got Bruce?
He's like, let me drive the boat.
Nancy got the music.
That's the music, bro. What's up, baby? What's good?
I gotta go.
I have no idea.
Faster now. You're going here faster now.
This is going too slow.
Look at that.
Always you.
Like, comment, subscribe. Kuruma Limited. If you don't, you're missing out, baby. Shout out Pure VIP, shout out Nasty 400, shout out Pure 4x4, shout out Simple Smoke.
Yo, I'm about to pour the rest of the bottle. Long live Matt Maribe. Long live the homie One Fast One. It's for you. We miss you, bro.
Big facts.
Cheers. Come on. Everybody else, let's go.
Got you.
Pour it out.
Hey, happy birthday! Love you, man. Happy birthday, bro.
We back, we max, stay blunted. Knee pads, yo hoes, they want it. Penthouse, 2 o'clock, 1100. It ain't no fun if I can't reroute your hoes in this direction. Swerve in the intersection. I'm done, she resting, no question. Done session, home wrecking. Doc motherfucker.
Hey, all you guys watching that missed out on the Kuruma BJC meet, y'all missed out. Okay, there's always next year though. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Distribution.com. Let's go, baby.
You know what the fuck going on? It's a whole lot of Kuruma vibes. Who's the worst shit? Who's the worst? See that shit? You see that shit? Hey, like, comment. If you don't subscribe, then you done. You're already fucked up.
Yo, Kuruma video right now going down. Nasty 400 birthday, Team Ryder. If you ain't fucking with Kuruma, I don't know what the fuck you doing out here. But Taylor, Audrey, the rest of the Kuruma guys from Pure VIP, we love you guys. Thank you for everything you've done. We getting lit over here. I'll see you guys soon. Like, comment, subscribe. YouTube channel. Go check out the videos right now.
Just hit me up when you need sex and dough in Hennessy. Won't you just put it on me? I just want your company. Come on, baby. Put it on me. Relax and come chill with me.
Y'all know the fucking vibes. Hit that like, comment, or subscribe button, cause it's Kuruma!
But everybody, let's just go.
Hey, happy birthday, Nasty. Let's get it, man. Blessings. What's going on, guys? We just got off the boat.
chilling. We hungry though. We've been drinking all motherfucking day. We're about to go eat, but we just don't know where yet. It is what it is. Yes, sir.
Hey, Nasty.
It's good, baby. Thank you, bro. Even though you blacked out for like the last 3 hours, it's cool. I forgive you, Audrey. You're good.
That's a golden shirt. That's a golden shirt.
He's a perfect size, yeah. All good, yeah. All good. Archie.
Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life.
The wait is over.
Welcome to the good life.
And after all the talk, all I gotta say is
Welcome to the good life.
you're welcome. You're all welcome. Like we always do at this time. I go for mine. I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine. I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. Welcome to Honors.
I'ma push down.
Hey, welcome to the good life. What is a sale? Won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life.
Yeah. Check out this Karuma shop over here. We got FD. We got some lower trucks.
We got a Lambo.
Lambos. Hollis.
We got our taxi.
With the BP style car wash. It's a BP style. Look at yours. Look over here. We got the Karuma shop. VIP only.
And then a lifeguard truck.
Oh, oh fuck.
Yo! Steve Caballero.
Oh, hey.
Steve Caballero.
It's on my Crocs.
Oh, cool. I need to get some Crocs too. Shit.
Welcome to the good life. Where we like the girls who ain't on TV cause they got more than the models. The good life, so keep it coming with the bottles. So she feel booze like she bombed at Apollo. The good life, it feel like Houston, it feel like Philly, it feel like DC, it feel like VA or the Bay or yay. Hey, this is the good life. Homie, tell me what's good. Why I only got a problem when you in the hood?
Welcome to the good life.
Like I'm new in the hood. The only thing I wish it
Welcome to the good life.
he probably think he could, but I don't think he should.
Welcome to the good life.
50 told me go ahead, switch the style up, and if they hate, then let them hate and watch the money pile up. The good life, I go for mine. Yeah, I got to shine.
Now throw your hands up in the sky.
I go for mine. I got to shine.
Now throw your hands up in the sky. I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma push down.
Have you ever popped champagne on a plane while getting some? She said I never seen snakes on a plane. Whether you broke or rich, you gotta get this. Having money's not everything that having it is. I was splurging on trips, but when I get my car back activated, I'm back to Vegas. Cause I always had a passion for flashing. Before I had it, I closed my eyes and imagined the good life.
Better than the life I lived when I thought that I was gonna go crazy. And now my grandmama ain't the only girl calling me baby. If you feeling me now, then put your hands up in the sky and let me hear you say, hey, hey, I'm good.
Hell yeah. He has another one too.
We are at the Trail Wolves meet. This is their meet at Rodeo X. Off-roading shit.
Dude, look at the WRX badge. It freaking, what the hell? That's crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
J-Matt.
This could have been you.
Yeah, that's pretty sick actually, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Fuck.
Could have been you. Oh, they got good parking. How come the other one is called Rodeo 39?
And this is, oh, I just realized, no wonder. I was like, wait, I thought there was another rodeo. It's
How many is
39,
there?
I don't know.
Dude, seeing all this shit just makes me want to like build a truck more. Like,
right?
I'm not ready to spend all that money. Dude, so many people.
Yeah. I like that. Yeah, hell yeah. What the fuck? They're so dope.
It looks so nice.
Yeah. Dude, look how much bigger.
It's not that expensive.
No?
But then like, I don't know if it fits right. They have to do some body work and stuff. I guess mine's higher than this. My angle on my axles are too crazy. That dirt key.
Yeah. Huh. To be honest, I want to raise mine. I need to. This guy is fucking shaking his own.
You need to raise yours.
And I need to lower mine. Damn!
That's too wide. That's fucking too wide.
Oh shit!
Look, it's Yosh.
Oh shit! Let me write it.
Dude, these are crazy. Those are like 37.
What the fuck? Right? Yeah. Hey, how do I get the forward to look like this?
You need about
$10,000. No, 50,000.
Yeah, we'll get our talk, yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah.
Oh shit!
Where's our friends at?
I know.
Let's go inside.
Let's go.
Oh, brother. How are you? We got that.
Man.
Oh, we didn't set up a booth.
Oh yeah, dude, this fucking shit is crazy.
I know.
Dude.
I didn't know.
Dude, you gotta see that side. That's why all the vendors are.
Yeah.
You could have vendors over there.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to leave early today, so.
Oh.
Yeah, we didn't do it.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy, dude.
Yeah.
I think just because Rumbling got canceled, everybody's just coming to this. So like, there's hella people. It's so fucking early, too. Check it out, dude.
Okay.
SoCal Pinoy.
SoCal Pinoy.
Overland.
Shirts and relationship is effort. I will match your work. I wanna be the one to make you happiest and hurt you the most. They say the end is near. It's important that we close.
What's up, J-Man?
Oh, how are you?
Good, how are you?
What are you guys doing after? I gotta go meet with my parents.
time are you leaving? Saturday.
Probably
Hi, say cheese.
in like 2030.
Cheers.
Yeah, check it. It's important.
These are all sick as fuck, bro.
Fate of this union to
I know.
the right pitch. I never call you my bitch.
What's up, dude?
Our Brian is coming too.
I saw the
Oh, he's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
I haven't seen him though.
All right. Yeah, I sold the LF for this.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, remember that LF that took you
Yeah,
100?
yeah.
Sold it for the rock. I had to get
Oh yeah.
I feel like
Okay.
Worst times, I hope to me you call. So I pray every day more than anything. Friends will stay as we begin to lay this foundation for a family. Love ain't simple. Why can't it be anything worth having you work at annually? Granted, we known each other for some time. It don't take a whole day to recognize sunshine. Second, it's kinda fresh, you listen to more than hip hop, and I can catch you in the mix from beauty to thrift shop. Plus you shit pop when it's time to, thinking you fresh, suggesting beats I should rhyme to. At times when I'm lost, I try to find you. You know to give me space when it's time to. My heart's dictionary defines you, it's love and happiness. Truthfully, it's hard trying to practice happiness. The time we committed love, it was real good. Had to be for me to arrive, and it still feel good. I know the sex ain't gon' keep you, but as my equal, it's how I must treat you. As my reflection, the light, I'ma lead you. And whatever's right, I'ma feed you. Yo, I tell you the rest when I see you. Peace.